AI based fraud detection. ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. AI based fraud detection. Central and state steering committee oversight. Focus for key vertical for rural development. ರೂರಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ದಾಗ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಕೀ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್ ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್ ರೋಲು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. GPS ಮತ್ತು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್, ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ MIS ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್, ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್, ಪ್ರತಿ ವಾರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಆತಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನಾವು ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಆಧಾರ್ ಸೀಡ್ 76 ಲಕ್ಷ ಇತ್ತು ಇವ್ರ ಕಾಲದಾಗ 14 ತನಕ. ಈಗ 12.11 ಕೋಟಿ ಮಾಡಿವಿ ನಾವು. ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ABPS ಅದು 0 ಇತ್ತು. ಜಿಯೋ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ಡ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ 0. ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಂಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಬಂದಂಥ ನಾವು 99% ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವರು 37%. ದುಡ್ಡು ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಡೋರು ಕೈಯಾಗ. ಯಾರು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಶೇರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎರಡೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 125 ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ. ಮೊದಲು 25% ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶೇರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗರ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಂಟಿವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಯೂಸ್. ಯಾರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಇದ್ರಾಗ.
First of all, National Herald is a registered entity. And as per the current laws of the country, they are entitled to raise sponsorship. And they have done so. Which law of the country has National Herald or the government of Karnataka broken? Has Mr. Joshi specified? No. He is trying to appease his political masters. If he is really so keen on accountability, Mr. Prahlad Joshi should volunteer to get RSS registered, number one. Number two, come out in the open and say how RSS magazine organizer gets printed every day. Where are they getting their funding from? How they are getting their funding from? Where is the donation? How are the donors giving the money to these people? And how are they printing all these things? So I challenge Mr. Joshi to come on an open, on any platform that he suggests. We will debate on the legalities of National Herald versus RSS organizer.
The intellectuals of Congress are lying in every issue of Manrega. They are bringing all these false lies just to preach their leader, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, to impress him. Mr. Part-time leader Rahul Gandhi, how can Sidramaya and Priyanka Kharge so black?
See, I have very categorically torn apart section by section of the VB G. Ramji bill. Let him answer on the legalities of it. What are we claiming? Loss of livelihood. Show me one para in the bill that guarantees employment. What do they mean by notified areas? What do they mean by normative allocations based on objective parameters prescribed by the central government? You are taking away livelihood. You are taking away the powers of the panchayat, which was enshrined in the 73rd and 74th amendment of the Constitution. And then you are preaching us. Instead of telling into the media, I challenge Mr. Joshi to go to the villages and speak the same language. Let us see if the Gram Panchayat members and villagers are going to welcome with the garland or going to ask him more questions on this.
Sir, on this meeting, what is the reason for this meeting you are holding here? Will it be...
See, Manrega is a lifeline for livelihood for the rural people. Just to give you the data on the last 2.5 years, more than 16.5 lakh village assets have been created because of Manrega. 80 lakh families have benefited because of Manrega. We have spent 21,147 crores in the last 2.5 years on Manrega, giving them livelihood, creating village assets which were never mapped, which would have otherwise never been mapped by any other fund. We are strengthening democracy at the grassroots through panchayats. That's what we have done for the last 20 years. And if Manrega was so corrupt as Mr. Joshi and BJP people are saying, what were they doing for 11 years? Were they also getting funded? Were they taking a cut in that? And suddenly they realized, oh no, the cut is not enough, so they are stopping this. What nonsense is Mr. Joshi or the BJP people talking about?
But they are saying otherwise, sir. They are saying that we are trying to stop the huge corruption done by Congress government.
So 11 years, what did you do? You are a party to that corruption, that means. Are they even speaking logically? Do they even understand what they speak?